In this video, we'll be discussing 10 tips to help you create engaging content that will keep your listeners hooked. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or business owner, these tips will be valuable for you to improve your content strategy. The first tip is to define your target audience. Knowing your audience will help you create tailored content that resonates with them. Consider factors like age, gender, location, interests, and pain points. The second tip is to tell a story. Stories have a way of captivating audiences and keeping them engaged. Determine what story you want to tell and how it relates to your brand or message. The third tip is to create video content. Video is one of the most engaging mediums for content, and it's quickly becoming the most popular form of content across social media platforms. The fourth tip is to use attention-grabbing headlines. Headlines are the first thing your audience sees, so they need to be compelling enough to entice them to keep reading, watching, or listening. The fifth tip is to make your content interactive. Give your audience a reason to engage with your content, whether it's through polls, quizzes, or challenges. The sixth tip is to use high-quality visuals. Visuals are a powerful tool for communication, but they need to be high quality to have an impact. Use professional photography or graphic design to elevate your content. The seventh tip is to show your personality. People engage with people, not brands. Let your personality shine through your content to make it more relatable and authentic. The eighth tip is to create a sense of urgency. People are more likely to engage with your content when they feel like they need to act quickly. Use limited time offers or expiring content to create urgency. The ninth tip is to ask for feedback. Your audience knows what they like and don't like, so ask for their opinions to help you improve your content. The final tip is to end with a clear call to action. Your audience should know what they should do next after engaging with your content. Whether it's visiting your website, following you on social media, or making a purchase, make sure the next steps are crystal clear. There you have it, 10 tips to help you create engaging content and keep your listeners hooked. By using these tips, you'll be able to create content that resonates with your audience and drives engagement.